Next thing is what happens when you start homeopathic treatment. Of course, when you come out of all the frustrations of the treatment and your expectations are very high, and you must have seen all the testimonials from Psoriatreat website that the patient got well. And sometimes the testimonials or sometimes the patients who refer to us, they have a very good experience in very short period of time. So every patient, when he comes by the information he has received, he wants or he expects the same results. But if he gets, he's happy. But if he doesn't get, he's unhappy or he's having a lot of questions about that. So whenever you start homeopathic treatment, what can happen? Let me tell you the different possibilities. The first thing that when you start homeopathic treatment, what is if you want to take the best, faster and good results, I think you have to help the doctor to give all the information he has asked honestly, correctly. Number one. Even after that, when he will start the treatment, at the first instance, a doctor gives the best possible medicine that he thinks at that moment. But when the medicine has been given to you, so what will be the result of your reaction to the medicine is different from patient to patient. So don't expect that the same patient, when you take the treatment same day and you come after the next month for follow-up, you will not get the same result that the other person has gone, or he will not get the same result because you are different and the other patient is different. So it is possible that majority of the patients, we notice that they get 10 to 15% relief initially, or some patients they do not notice the relief. It doesn't mean that they will not. So doctor will think either he will change the medicine, increase the potency, or he will wait or he will notice. You may not notice, but doctor can notice the improvement, and I think it will take little more time and he will ask you to come again. So trust the doctor, believe the treatment, continue the treatment, come back again. In some patients, it can happen that some new symptoms can come, some new psoriasis spots can come, and your old symptoms may be more after taking a treatment. And this is a great question, that instead of getting your psoriasis minimized, less, ameliorated, why it increased? So what are the reasons of increase? Number one reason is that the treatment you were taking earlier to suppress the disease or to control the disease. So once you stop the treatment, it can go to its original state. And that's why it has gone to original. It has nothing to do with the homeopathic medicines. Since you stop the treatment, it has come to that stage. And now the homeopathic medicine is start acting, and it will take a little more time to cool down or come down the psoriasis. This is one situation. Another situation, because of you can vigorously react to the medicines, having a good immunity, and your psoriasis may increase 2 to 3 times. That we call as an aggravation. So this aggravation is also there in some patients, but that can also be controlled over the period of time. The biggest doctor or the most famous doctor in the world, Dr. George Vitholkas, he says that psoriasis patients should be informed at the very first instance that your psoriasis will increase, and it can increase and it may take 2 to 3 months to control. You see, the doctor I follow, the doctor I learn from, Dr. George Vitholkas, he also says, so be prepared that this can also happen, but this is one of the procedure or one of the course that it can increase and it can go back. But once with homeopathic treatment, when the psoriasis has been gone and it doesn't return for 6 months, if you come to that stage, it will not come back. But if you want the good, permanent, long-lasting result, you have to go through all these different stages of treatments. and different stages of psoriasis, and you have to be patient. So all these things can happen to you when you take a homeopathic treatment. You have to be patient and you have to cooperate with the doctor. Anyway, if you don't cooperate with the doctor, if you drop out the treatment, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You will be with your psoriasis. Either you have to take and suppress it throughout the life and then suffer from the side effects. That is up to you. But if you are ready to cooperate and go with the doctor, because each patient is individual, his response to the medicine and the time period required to control is different. Some people may take a long time, and moreover, the Psoriatreat has done a special research. Here also we have found that some patients who continue our treatment for a year or two, but we are not able to help them. For that, we did a research and we have devised a new treatment that is called as the advanced treatment of psoriasis, which is only for those people who do not respond to the regular treatment. So that's another sort of treatment we have devised, but that is not for all. That is specifically only for those people. And that research is also there with psoriasis. So all these things can happen to you. But initially, don't think that you need an advanced treatment. All treatments at psoriasis begins with the normal existing treatment. And only when those who need, we advise them that they should go for advance after testing them that they are responding or not. Thank you.